What's going on, YouTube? Here to make a quick little video. I'm gonna change it up a little bit. How many of you are tired of buying wipers every 6 months, basically? These things are horrible. And I'm gonna try a new product. It's not new, but it's new to me. It's the PIAA Silicone wipers. These things are supposed to last for a while. So, I'm gonna put this on my trusty all-weather Outlander. So yeah, it's gonna be a quick little video. Like I said, I'm just trying this new product. Change it up a little bit. Got some stuff I need to install in some of my cars, so I might as well make a video. Yeah, these things are kind of pricey, but when you look at it, they're supposed to last. They got good reviews. So let's see, because I'm tired of buying wipers every 6 months, basically. And these silicones are supposed to be really, really good. So let's get on with the install. Comes with different adapters. So I got the basic, just slip on, slip off type thing. It also comes with this windshield preparation kit. Wipe down the windshield. So let's get on with it. Clean the windshield just to get all the nasty stuff out of it. Once you clean the windshield, you put the silicone rag. It kind of closes up all the little scratches. It fills them in. That's what the silicone does. It fills in all the little scratches on the windows. So you take this little rag here and you clean the windshield with it. It's like a gel. Once you lay that down, just come and put the wipers on. Can't let it dry up. Make sure you cover the whole window. So yeah, that's it. The wipers are on. Silicone is on. I already turned them on and did the whole, make sure everything gets on the wipers, so can't run it now because it's a little dry. But yeah, once that paste is on, I turned on the water and it cleaned it up really good. No streaks. So hopefully this thing will last more than 6 months. Once you take care of it and keep putting on the silicone, the wiper should last you for a very long time. So yeah, like I said, I wanted to make this quick video and show that these wipers, you know, easy little mod here, nothing major. But I'll do a review, make sure that these things, you know, do what they gotta do.